If you want to see me go from dry hair to nice, defined, moisturized, juicy, bouncy curls using the steaming method, then you're in the right place. Keep on watching.
It's the way, it's the way, it's the way, it's the way that you talk, way that you walk, way that you talk.
What's goody, fam? Welcome back to your girl's channel. It's your good sis, CurlieCrys, and we are back with another video. And y'all, honestly, today's video I am excited about. We're going to be steaming my natural hair through the deep conditioning process. This is my first time that I have ever steamed my natural hair, so I'm really excited to see how it compares to my normal deep conditioning routine, because you guys know I deep condition under a hooded dryer, but today we're going to be using an actual steamer to steam this natural hair. So I also do not have an intro for you guys today like I usually do, but y'all, I literally recorded this video this morning and I wanted to get it out for you guys today. So I didn't have time to send it over to my editor, but I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a little 1-2 of what they do. What's up? Hey. If you are new to your girl's channel, smash that button down below. Don't forget it. Don't you not do it. All right, y'all. So let's go ahead and hop into today's video. Clearly, my hair is, did someone say dirty, crusty, and musty? Okay, that's exactly what my hair is giving today. She's giving very, very dry, very, very Saharan desert. So I'm gonna go ahead and do off camera is shampoo my hair, and then we'll get into the actual steaming process and all of its benefits. So I'm gonna be back looking a whole different way in 3, 2, 1. All right, fam. So I promise I was speaking in this entire video, giving y'all all the details, the rundown, and none of it got recorded. My voice did not get recorded. Literally, technology said, forget your commentary. Y'all gonna have to get voice over Chris. So the steamer that I am using is my Veil Shore steamer from Amazon, $19.99, y'all, on sale. And then my deep conditioner that I'm using is the Ajwa Beauty Deep Conditioner, and this one has biomint in it. And the reason why I chose that one is because the mint and the deep conditioner mixed with the heat from the steam, I just felt like would create a bomb combination, unstoppable. Okay, so before I'm going to apply the product to my hair, but first I'm going to just let my hair steam a little bit just with that heat, and then I'm going to start applying the product to my hair. Now this is once again my first time ever steaming my natural hair. Okay, so I did not know what to expect or anything, so I'm applying the product to my hair, letting that steam just penetrate my strands. And the steaming is supposed to have a lot of good benefits for hair, one of which it helps to open up the hair shaft, so allowing that product to really seep into your strands even more. And that is bomb for low porosity girls like myself. So I'm really allowing the steam to penetrate into my strands and get all up in the insides and the darker parts. Okay, and one thing I can say for sure is my hair started to become more manageable the more I steamed, y'all. Like my fingers were literally gliding through my hair. Gliding like what's a detangling brush. Now I'm just kidding, you should probably still detangle, but this like just look at how the steam, you guys could just see the steam taking over my curls. And I really do feel like this direct source of heat did an amazing job on allowing that product to seep into my strands and really getting the full benefit. So while I'm applying this to my hair, I really want to talk about some of the benefits of steaming. So it helps to smooth and soften your hair. It helps to stop dryness and breakage. It helps to improve hair color treatments. It's great for people who suffer with dandruff. It removes dirt and dead skin cells from the scalp, which helps with growth. Adds moisture to your roots and hair shaft, and also increases the circulation of your hair for better hair growth. And I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I really see the benefits and how this is not lying. For one, smooth and softened hair. I feel like that direct steam really did help to soften my natural hair. Like my curls felt so soft, so manageable. even the curl of like the curl improved, like my hair texture improved, just like the feel of it and everything. And then the dryness, like this direct heat to your hair, I can see how it helped with dryness and breakage, and most definitely with moisturizing my roots and my scalp. Because honestly, by using that deep conditioner that I chose, the mint mixed with the steam from the steamer, my scalp was on like a refreshing vacation. Felt like my scalp felt so good, y'all. I was like, wow, this direct steam really is the bomb. Like it really did help my hair for sure. And then also increasing the circulation for better growth. I do see how that also can be a bomb way to help with steaming. Now, one thing I want to point out is make sure that you are getting your ends really good, because of course the ends are the oldest parts of our hair. So we want to make sure that the ends are receiving all of that product as well, and they are not being neglected. So I'm going to continue to run my fingers throughout my hair. And one thing that I also noticed is that I was able to just run my fingers through my hair, and I haven't even detangled yet, y'all. Like this routine really did help my curls. Just, isn't it such like a cool visual though? Like it kind of looks like my hair is on fire. But I feel like that visual is really cool, and the steam felt amazing. So one other tip I want to give that I noticed is, if you have really thick hair like myself, you may want to part your hair in different areas and really make sure that steam is hitting every single part, because I realized that in the insides of my hair, it really wasn't getting all of the steam like it could have been. So I just went ahead and split it in certain areas. That way I know for sure that all of my strands are getting this bomb penetration, this bomb steam treatment, okay? Nothing's being neglected. And one thing I also noticed was in those areas, once I split it, they most definitely needed some product. So I went in and added more product where necessary, just to make sure that everything was fully coated. But do you guys see the curls? Are we seeing the curls? Y'all, my hair loved this treatment. And I'm calling it a steam treatment because I feel like it's like a step above a regular deep conditioning. It's more of a direct way of heat. So I did go ahead and apply some more product to those areas, like I was saying, that the sun wasn't shining on, okay? Also, speaking of what I was just now saying about the steaming, this is a more direct source of heat for your hair. However, it will not damage your hair in any way. So don't think that you'll get damage from this being a direct source of heat. It does not get as hot as a deep conditioning dryer, like a hooded dryer. It doesn't get as hot as that, but it's also more direct onto the hair. So I feel like that also helps with making sure that that product really is seeping into your hair. So I feel like it's a level up from a hooded deep conditioning session. And you guys know that I use my hooded dryer for deep conditioning. So in comparison to that, let me just give you guys a little rundown on how I feel it compares to a hooded dryer. So a pro that I feel is really notable is it's directly getting that product into your hair. It's direct heat. Your hair is literally thriving off of that direct heat at that very moment, and it's allowing that product to soak into your hair strands. Whereas with a hooded dryer, it's not as direct. It's more of an indirect heat, but it's also not as much heat touching your curls. So it could be better in that way. But overall, I really do feel like this method is bomb. 10 out of 10 would recommend, especially if you're low porosity. Like, this gets the curls popping, and my ends also were really defined. Like, look how defined my curls were just from doing this method. It also takes a little bit more time and effort, of course, because you have to actually use your hands, whereas a hooded dryer you could just sit underneath. But I do feel like it's worth it, and I feel like it's something that I would do like once a month versus, you know, every single week. I'm still gonna be using my hooded dryer, y'all. And in case you don't know which hooded dryer I'm talking about, I'll go ahead and show you guys which one I use. So literally just an old school dryer, and I get my money's worth out of that bad boy. But overall, I most definitely do recommend the steaming. If you are low porosity as well, it is, y'all, this experience was amazing. Also, something I wanted to note is when I mix that deep conditioner onto my scalp with the steam, it created an unmatched experience. It just felt so good, and it felt like the steam was really getting into my strands, like getting into my scalp, like amazing. Okay, so I highly do recommend this process. Lastly, one thing that's pretty cool with the steamer is you could add essential oils. If you are that type of girl or guy who likes an essential oil added to their deep conditioner, you can add that to the little cup on the back of the steamer. And once again, this steamer is from my Amazon store, y'all, and was on sale right now for $19.99. You guys sold it out last time when it was like $25, but now it's back and it's only $19.99. So you put the water right there, and then you can also add your essential oil and get that steaming process going. So that's the end of today's video, guys. Let me know what you guys thought about these final results and the entire steaming process. I really do hope you guys enjoyed it. I know for sure I most definitely did, and I will be using it again. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Peace. Oh yeah, and make sure to subscribe if you are new.